Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the different type of lines which we can draw in the SolidWorks. First of all, we have to select the sketch, and we have to select the plane in which we want to sketch. The plane have been selected, and let's click on the line. There are three types of lines available: line, center line, and the midpoint line. uh, First of all, we will discuss the line. Line is a simple line segment, and whenever you click it, stick to the cursor, and wherever you want to finish it, just left click on it and it will stop over there. But still the cursor is attached with the line, and where you next click, it will go up to that point, and up to next, up to next, up to next, up to next, and wherever you click it will go on moving. This is the first type of line actually which we can draw. uh, if you want to delete that, just click on the cross button, discard changes, and it will be vanished. Again, we can go from the sketch tab, and center line. We will discuss about the center line. It's a sort of a line which we can make for our references. It's not actually the line, but it can be used for the helping in the sketch as a reference, which can be drawn at any angle or whatever else, wherever you want. You can draw it, and by the help of these references you can draw the overall sketch, and after that you can delete these lines. These are the reference lines. And here is also another type of a line, that is a midpoint line, where we click on the sketch and it starts moving on the both side of the point. Where we clicked, it starts moving both side of the point. Where we again click, and it will stop over there. Again, midpoint line, I have clicked on this portion, and this is stick with the cursor, and when I am moving the cursor, the line is going on the two sides, that is along the point in two sides, moving along the two sides. That is a midpoint line. Here we have discussed all the three types of the lines, and later on we will use in the sketching of the drawings.